गणनाथाय नमः। ॐ पार्वतीतनयाय नमः।
She is being led by Shri K.C. Ramamurthy. Is being led by Shri K.C. Ramamurthy, Chairman, Aikya Board of Governors, Chairman, CMR Group of Institutions. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. We have just got the news of the demise of our former Prime Minister, Shri I.K. Gujral. We will observe a minute's silence. So please rise. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to one and all present here on this pleasant November 30th evening. We at AKIA strive not only to achieve academic excellence, but also an overall personality development of the child. And nothing better than a cultural event can really bring forth the hidden talent in every child and also help every child overcome his or her inhibitions. We sincerely hope that today's cultural evening will have the students of AKIA unfold themselves. This evening, to grace the occasion, we have with us Shri K.C. Ramamurthy, IPS, former Inspector General of Police, Chairman AKIA Board of Governors, and Chairman CMR Group of Institutions. And our Honorable Chief Guest, internationally renowned Ubhaya Gana Vidushi, Sangeeta Kalaratna, Guru Dr. Shamla G. Bhavi. We begin today's program with the lighting of the lamp by Dr. Shamla G. Bhavi and a Ganesh Vandana, talented bunch of boys and girls trained by our very own music teacher, Ms. Gunjan. ITPL to give the welcome address. Mrs. Jyoti has spent more than 18 years of her quality time in the field of education. She is the guiding force behind Team AKIA. Her sincerity and dedication is unparalleled. She is a highly motivated and a very receptive individual. Her enthusiasm and energy that we witnessed during the making of this program was amazing. And she is truly an inspiration for all of us. Her warm and pleasant disposition makes everyone comfortable and puts us all at ease. Over to Mrs. Jyoti Menon.
Kind words. Good evening, everybody, and a very warm welcome to all of you. It is indeed an honor for me to welcome such an august gathering assembled here this evening. All of us here at AKIA are very excited this evening to present to you a beautiful musical recital based on the famous epic Ramayana to enthrall our distinguished guests who have assembled here. AKIA, as it stands for unity, has unitedly put in all efforts to make this a memorable evening for you. We're lucky to have an amazing group of students and a dedicated team of teachers and staff who have made this possible. We are honored to have internationally renowned Ubhaya Gana Vidushi Sangeeta Kala Ratna Guru Dr. Shyamala G. Bhave, who has consented to be our chief guest. Dr. Bhave has been one of the renowned exponents of the Gwalior Gharana style of Hindustani music in its pure form. A child prodigy, she sang her first concert when she was barely 6. Her potential was recognized and appreciated very early in her music career by the celebrated Sir M. Vishwesvaraya, who conferred the title Ubhaya Gana Vidushi on Dr. Shyamala, a title she has worn with pride ever since. One of the unique features of her style is that she's equally at ease with the different idioms and nuances of the Carnatic style of classical music and has mastered both Hindustani and Carnatic style of classical music effortlessly. We welcome you, ma'am. It is indeed an honor to have you here with us. May I request Sri K.R. Jaideep, Director, AKIA Schools, to present a small token of appreciation to Dr. Shyamala Bhave. Thus, Sri K.C. Ramurthy, Chairman, AKIA Board of Governors and CMR Group of Institutions, who has taken time from his busy schedule to preside over this function. Mr. K.C. Ramurthy has been our source of inspiration and encouragement right from the start with his passion for building world-class institutions, be it in preschools, schools, undergraduate, graduate, or doctoral programs. His attention to detail and perfection is commendable. Thank you, sir, once again for gracing this occasion. May I now welcome our beloved director, Ms. Trishta Ramurthy. She is the guiding force and our pillar of support. And I'm sure she just can't wait for Ramayana to begin. Welcome, ma'am. I take this opportunity to welcome Sri K.R. Jaideep, Director, AKIA Schools, and Mrs. Shreya Jaideep, Director, HR and Finance, CMR Group of Institutions. Welcome, sir and ma'am. I also take this opportunity to welcome trustees of CMR Jnanadhara Trust, heads of all CMR institutes present here, staff from our sister institutions from CMR, NPS and AKIA School and JP Nagar. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time to be here with us. Thank you. To your children performing on stage, welcome to our very first endeavor at AKIA ITPL. Starting on the academic front, we've just completed our first round of formative and summative assessments successfully. We are pleased to see that students have settled down comfortably and are enjoying a lot of individual attention given the small class size. Teachers are ensuring that the students are coping with the academic programs and schedules promptly and efficiently. Co-curricular front, we've had a number of competitions and events scheduled in school. for Ganesha Chaturthi and Rajotsava, we've had students of grade 4, 5 and 7 performing delightful and informative little skits, enabling them to showcase their talents. We've also had 2 field trips so far, one to the fire station and one to Cubbon Park, both of which were thoroughly enjoyable, both by the students and by the teachers. And I must mention here that students of grade 6, 7 and 8 refused to go in the beginning. And when they came back, they actually came back and thanked the teachers and all of us for sending them because they enjoyed it so much. Our Tiny Tots of pre-primary will also be performing on stage today. It's such a pleasure to see the tiny faltering feet which were hesitating to enter the school in the beginning have now turned into eager strides. Their little hugs and bright smiles really brighten up our day. I especially love going to the pre-primary classes every day. I must mention here that whenever I skip my morning routine or visiting their classes, they come and question me about it. They stop me and ask me why I haven't come, the little ones. They're presently very excited about their play area, and I'm sure the parents are equally excited to see that as well. We have some lovely outdoor equipment for them, and from next month, some of the parents were really very keen to know we're going to start with our gardening. Children know that and they're looking forward to that. So to sum up our activities, we've actually had our hands full, and just to remind you, it's just been 4 months. This month, however, has been quite hectic for all of us as we've been preparing for this special program we are presenting before you today. I hope you all enjoy it as much as we enjoyed putting it up for you. Parents, I want to thank you for your encouragement and wholehearted support, without which this would not have been possible. I know some of you were really inconvenienced yesterday, but thank you so much. Welcome once again. Thank you.
May we now request our chief guest, internationally renowned Ubhayagana Vidushi, Sangeeta Kalaratna, Guru Dr. Shamla Ji Bhave, to say a few words.
Namaskar. A wonderful and a good, happy evening, I think. I have no words to congratulate, especially to my very, very loving brother, Sri K.C. Ramamurthy ji, and the whole family. A son and a daughter, they are like 2 beautiful eyes to the family, Savita and Ramamurthy ji. And the loving daughter-in-law is like a tilakam in the family. And it's a wonderful feeling. In the whole family, I also belong to that family like a daughter. Manasika Magalu ಅಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅಂತೇವೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ. They all have got so much special affection for me, and I have never felt that I am away from the family. My pranams, Sashtanga pranams, at the feet of great 2 people, Sri Reddy ji and his wife. I had a wonderful opportunity to have a darshan of Amma. She was very fond of me. That's how emotionally, mentally, we came so near to each other in both the families. Today, I have to really take a special opportunity of requesting all the goddesses and all the gods in our country to bless this like a school. It's a beautiful atmosphere, very divine atmosphere, and a very modern atmosphere in the school. I think you all are so lucky and blessed by the God that you belong to the school, and it's been 1 year now. And this is the first year's function where they're having it as a Ramayana presentation. My special congratulations, best wishes and good blessings to the whole staff today in the school. Many a times in Kannada it is said, Mauna matadatte anta navantave. Hage, when we are silent, our emotions are expressed all over. And we understand. Being silent also, we understand each other. The affection is from one to one, and we do expect a wonderful, a good, satisfactory, and a truthful educational system. There are two tracks, beautiful it is. Not because I am an artist and a performing artist. Academic education, which we are wonderfully sitting on this Vastu, and cultural education. These two fields always goes parallelly, and we must have an education where we get a complete satisfaction in the cultural field. There are cultural field, about 5 to 6 fields are there. Music, dance, theatre, painting, sculpture, and literature. All the children are so excited today they are going to present the Ramayana. The mythological story about 5,000 years ago, which gives us a wonderful academic education and the life pattern. We will know what is human life. We say that according to the generation-wise, it's been said, we get only once the human life. So see that each moment, each second is utilized, and it's been understood by individual human beings, particularly the small children. When we give, the education starts at home, whether it is cultural or the education. The parents are completely responsible, and even the other family members, they start giving a wonderful education to the children. As we say that the child is born in the family, it is like a Suryodaya, a sun's bright rays. So I request all the parents, all my loving friends, to get the wonderful opportunity, school like this, that you get the best education. And my humble request is to the whole staff in this school and to my brother Ramurthy ji, whenever musically they would like to have any activity, I am always there at your service to come and teach the choir group and prepare the choir even from the children age of 5. I would be extremely happy to come and work for you people, and that's my promise. Once again, I wish Krista, my very loving child, who is like a schoolgirl, but a very capable and a responsible, young, beautiful girl. They all will join together, and we see that the results are going to be wonderful. And this is, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತು, ನಾವು ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ದೇವರ ದರ್ಶನ ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ I request all of you to inform all your friends and all your people to bring the children to the school so that they will get a very exclusively good education. And I pray to God that all the God's blessings on all of you, and I wish all the best today that inviting me. I'm one of the very regular personality that I go on coming like this, but all your affection and your love, I expect it always like this, and my parents' blessings and Anna and Amma's blessings here, and best wishes from Ramurthy ji and Savita ji. Thank you very much, and I always wish all the best. Namaskar. Good evening.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind, loving, and very valuable words. We really feel very honored to have you amongst us on this special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, any successful execution blossoms from a good strategy, and the strategist or brain behind EKIA is the young lady with an infectious dedication and enthusiasm, Ms. Trishta Ramamurthy, who holds a master's in education from the prestigious Stanford University and a doctorate from King's College, London. Her passionate involvement and participation, be it a cultural program in EKIA or a teacher's training program away from the campus, we have always had her beside us. Thank you, ma'am, for being by our side always. May we now request Ms. Trishta Ramamurthy, Director, EKIA Schools, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Guru Dr. Shamlaji Bave, Chairman, EKIA Board of Governors, Shri K.C. Ramamurthy, Mr. K.R. Jaideep, Director, EKIA Schools, Mrs. Shreya Jaideep, Director, HR and Finance, CMR Group, Dr. Bhaskar Reddy, Director, CMR Group of Institutions, special invitees, grandparents, parents, some uncles, aunts, maybe some cousins, everyone present here, a very, very warm welcome to you. I am really happy that all of you could join us this evening. Let me begin this function on a very grave and serious note, if you would allow me. Parents, I'm sure that you have heard that there is a deadly and infectious condition that has spread among the students of EKIA School ITPL. There is a distraction in the classroom. Lessons are being disrupted. There is large-scale prevalence of sore throat among the teachers. Stress levels are very high. It is also rumored that Mrs. Jyoti Menon, our vice principal and my colleague, has lost a few kgs. I'm afraid this condition has gotten out of hand and needs our immediate attention. I see a few confused faces. Do you not know what I'm talking about? No? I've spoken to many doctors and specialists, and they're calling this condition, they're calling it excitement. And I believe it's being caused by the Ramayana musical.